Alright, hey, this is Clyde coming to make this week's video on Isle Royale. I heard that's a nice place, but making this video kind of late. Had to leave some storage on my phone to I don't know, I'm tired. Anyway, so Isle Royale was formed by igneous rock layers that folded as a result of tectonic plate movement. So the folded rocks curve downward, forming Lake Superior Basin, and curve back up again to form the Keweenaw Peninsula. We're going to look at a cutout of that later. So actually, we'll look at that right now. So click over here. There we go. Here you can see a pretty good example of that. You got plates pushing in on the other side, causing a basin, and Isle Royale ends up right here. So, all this igneous rock. So, pulse volcanic sedimentary rocks along here. That's up there. Pre-volcanic rocks down here, and then bedded volcanic and sedimentary rocks, including portage lake volcanoes. All that stuff's down here. You can see some stuff going up there. But anyway, it's a syncline. That's on. You got stuff pushed in here, and that's pushing it up. So that's what that is. All right, moving on to the next point here. So the next question I got here was pointing at things you can learn from the map and crossing. Wait a second. So yeah, next question. What are the shapes of contacts in the map view? So in the map view, really can't see any contacts. You go over this cross section I just showed you guys. You can see the faults here that are causing the basin. I think that's what you meant by contacts. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. But pretty sure that's what's meant by contacts. You have the plates pushing in here, and the basin, and that line there is the contact, right? I'm forgetting right now, but looked it up, I couldn't figure it out either. So, okay, next part. So how are rock layers of different ages distributed? So I'll click on the PDF. All right, we already read that off. You have post-volcanic sedimentary rocks. That's on top there. The interbedded volcanic and sedimentary rocks. That's all kind of in the middle there. It's all part of the same curving up, and that's it. Kind of forming the basis of it is the pre-volcanic rocks. Then you have the whole thing moving upwards, pressed upwards. Why am I sniffing my nose? That's stupid. Yes, I'm supposed to look for strike and dip measurements on the map. As you can see on the map, there are no strike and dip measurements. I also looked for a long time on the Google, searched the big wide web, and could not find any strike or dip measurements, so I don't know what they've got against Grand Isle, but couldn't find any of those. So satellite view, we're going to look at that over here. Google Maps, as you can see, Isle Royale, I said Grand Isle at some point, Isle Royale, it's kind of a long island. You can actually see it, like how it would correspond with the cutout map we looked at before. There's little things here popping up. It's very long. You can see how if it were to press, if two plates are pressing in on an angle, I'll zoom out here, like from these sides here, how that would press up there. I don't know. It's kind of interesting to look at that side by side. See how that works. So, yeah, for most of my research, I was Googling things, had to go through this long report PDF. I think there are a whole bunch of them on the suggested sites that you could look on. I had to scroll down, read through a whole bunch of stuff to try to find that little Lake Superior Basin thing there. That little cutaway. Just says Keweenaw Peninsula and Grand Royale. But it's late, I'm tired, and I'm going to say goodnight to you guys now, alright? Good night. Hasta la vista. It's been fun.